Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how to design a social media analysis dashboard using Airtable. This is your full 2025 guide. Firstly, let's open up Airtable and create a new base. This base will serve as the backbone for our dashboard, storing all our social media data. The reason we do this is to have a centralized location for all our social media metrics. Now that we've done that, let's add tables for each social media platform, like Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. This helps us because it allows for a clear segmentation of data, making analysis more precise. Next up, we'll add fields to each table. These fields will represent the metrics we want to track, like likes, shares, followers, etc. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. These fields will automatically pull the data from our social media accounts, saving us the trouble of manual entry. Once we have our data in place, it's time to design the dashboard. In Airtable, this is called a view. Let's create a new grid view. This grid view will display all our data in an easy-to-understand format. The last major step is to customize our view. We can add filters, groupings, and sort options to fine-tune how our data is presented. This will help streamline our analysis, making it easier to spot trends or issues. And voila, you've designed your very own social media analysis dashboard in Airtable. Remember, the key to a good dashboard is to keep it simple and focused on the metrics that matter most to you. Thanks for joining us today, and don't forget to check back for more tips and guides. Until then, happy analyzing.